Hi everyone, I'm Kayla Harris and I am on the APTA Student Assembly Board of Directors and I serve as Vice President. And one of my main responsibilities as Vice President is to be the main point of communication for core ambassadors. So really serving as that link between what's going on in APTA at the national level and what's going on at the state level. And one of the things that I really enjoy about this position is that I get to see what students across the country are doing. I get to see what initiatives they're implementing and how they're engaging their peers. And so for me, seeing the drive and the passion that other students have is really inspiring, and it pushes me to want to do more for APTA and for our profession as well. And I think that someone who would excel in this position is someone who is well organized, they're a strong communicator, but then they're also not afraid to think outside of the box too. So if you have any questions about this position or just want to know a little bit more about what the Vice President does, please feel free to reach out to me.